Okay, isa sa mga highlight dito po sa BPI La Grana is yung kanilang distribution. Yan, BPI La Grana ng lowland vegetable, mga seedlings. Ito yan. So, libre yan. Ito, pamimigay. Mga walk-in nakakahingi din at saka yung mga nagle-left. Yan. Ito yung kanilang seedling production area. So, yan. Ito, ready to transplant mo ito. Anong school ka? San Enrique. Kasi mostly mga student, farmers, association. Ito for hydroponic. May protocol. Only authorized person is allowed to enter and work in a plant nursery. Ay, lalabas na tayo, hindi tayo authorized. Okay. Only authorized. The High Value Crop Development Program Nursery Vegetable. Dapat nakakulong din ito para hindi masyadong i-infest ng pest and disease.